Hey everyone, the highly anticipated ROG Tessen mobile game controller, which was widely awaited since its announcement earlier this year, has now been made available by ASUS. Its foldable form, which makes it extremely practical for gamers on the go, is one of its best features. It's portable enough to tote along without significantly increasing the bulk of your gaming setup. At just 136 grams, being the first folding mobile game controller on the market, the ROG Tessen stands out and will undoubtedly appeal to gamers who value portability. There was excitement and anticipation among gamers when this gamepad was first leaked. In terms of design, the RGB lighting effects add a stylish touch to the overall aesthetic. This not only enhances the visual appeal, but also adds a layer of customization for users who enjoy personalized gaming setups. Functionality-wise, the Tessen doesn't disappoint. It comes with aluminum alloy programmable back keys that allow for customization according to your gaming preferences. The inclusion of rubber support pads ensures compatibility with most phone cases, catering to a wide range of device thickness, ranging from 7 to 14.5 mm. The console-level joystick is designed for precise control, boasting an 18mm height and a 22 degrees range of motion. The Tessen's mechanical micro switches ensure responsive cross keys and ABXY buttons, crucial for smooth and accurate gameplay. Furthermore, its USB Type-C interface enables seamless connection to your mobile device, and the 18-watt pass-through charging feature ensures that you can keep gaming without worrying about battery life. The precise release date and pricing information for the ROG Tessen mobile game controller have not yet been made public by ASUS, but be sure to follow us for the most recent information on this much-awaited gaming gear to help you stay on top of the mobile gaming scene. We'll keep you updated on any changes pertaining to the Tessen's pricing and availability. All things considered, the ASUS ROG Tessen mobile game controller combines high-performance features, customization choices, and mobility to provide a complete solution for mobile gamers. With its cutting-edge features and stylish appearance, the Tessen is made to enhance your mobile gaming experience, regardless of your level of skill. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.